Do you need image fusion? In this video, we will show you all the image fusion methods in the simplest way. Using Landsat image, Gram-Schmidt, principal components, hue saturation value, HSV methods and color normalized, Brovey, will be used for fusion. Before beginning, we appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and tap on the bell to be notified whenever we posted a new video. We import our image to the software using MTL file. Using the spear pan sharpening option, we can apply the fusion. In the input section, we select the panchromatic image as our high-resolution image. And in the second section, we select the bands that we need to be fused based on the panchromatic band. We crop the image to our area. We save the output in a certain path. Images have already been co-registered, so there is no need to do it again. To evaluate the results of the bands, we use the Spectral Quality Indices section and click Compute Indices. The closer the results are to 1, the more appropriate they are. This is our fused image. What changes do you think the fusion will bring to the image? Write your answer in the comments. Select the spear pan sharpening option again. And insert the panchromatic image. As the previous step, in the second section, select the bands that you need to be fused based on the panchromatic band. Crop the image based on the previous file. Save the output in the specified path. Since images have already been co-registered, there is no need to do it again. In this step, we select the principal components fusion method. To evaluate the results of the bands, we use the Spectral Quality Indices section and click Compute Indices. The closer the results are to 1, the more appropriate they are. The first bands have good accuracy. Here you can see the fused image by the principal components method. Select the spear pan sharpening option again. Again we insert the panchromatic image. And for the input, we select the bands that we need to be fused based on the panchromatic band. Crop the image. Then save the output. As mentioned earlier, we don't need to co-register images. In the third step, we choose the hue saturation value, HSV method to perform fusion. This method uses 3 bands to perform fusion. For this purpose, spectral quality indices are also applied for 3 bands. This method has lower quality accuracy for our image. You see the fused image. In the last step, we use the fourth method. Insert the panchromatic band. And for the second input, we select the bands that we need to be fused based on the panchromatic band. Crop the image. Save the output. Images have already been co-registered. No need to do it again. Here we use the color normalized, Brovey, method to perform fusion. This method also uses 3 bands to perform fusion. So spectral quality indices are also applied for 3 bands. Here we have the final fused image. If you have any questions about fusion, ask us in the comments.